Hello, this is Gray Scarborough here again with the second episode to my Minecraft How to Make Your Own Resource Pack for 179 video. And if you want to get caught up on everything we detailed in the last episode, I will put up an annotation right here, and this is go to that video. It'll catch you up on every step we took to get to this point. This episode, I'm going to show you how to add your own sounds. How you're going to want to start is you're going to want to open your Minecraft launcher here. Go to Edit Profile. And if you're using the latest version, you're going to want to download 175, 174, 172, and 164. These can be downloaded by selecting the version and hitting play. Once that is done, return back to 179. Or use latest version, as at the time of this video, that is the latest version. Once that is done, go back to your .minecraft file, open up assets. There will be some new folders here. You go to indexes, and you open legacy.json with Notepad++. Here you will find a list of directories pointing to different files that the game pulls from in order to display graphics and some different language fonts, and even your sounds. And our sounds are buried a little deep in here. Right now we're at music, but if we scroll down enough to about, first sound starts at line 388, and it's the ambience. Well, there we are. We found our sound directories. But if you want to find these quicker, Control F to go to find, and you can type in here sounds, or if you're looking for specifics like what I just had on the screen, sound mob. With this open, let's go back to our indexes folder and back into Minecraft. Go to resource packs, go to our custom resource pack folder, go to assets, Minecraft. And what we're going to do next is we're going to right click, new, folder, and name it sounds. It has to be named sounds. If you name it sound, it will not work for 179. Now we can use this as a reference to what sort of subdirectories we're going to make for our sound files. Now let's say we want to edit the chicken. We will scroll down or type into Control F sound/mob. And right here we are already at sound mob, so we go down until we find chicken. Now these are all the chicken sounds. We got the chicken hurt sounds, we got the plop for the egg, I would assume, and we got say 1, say 2, say 3, and even its footstep sounds. Ain't that neat? Now the sound that we want to edit, we go to sounds. Now, as it showed here in Notepad++, the sound for the chicken is under sound/mob/chicken/your file. Now, this same formula needs to be used when making your custom sounds. We go back to sounds, new, folder, mob. Then we go back into the mob folder. We go new, folder, chicken. And this is where we're going to put our sounds. And I am going to copy this for later. Our next step is to open Audacity. And what we're going to do is basically make our own sound for the chicken. We're going to make our own say sounds. So, here we go. Let's get a giggle. Well done. We've created our own sound. And what we can do here is we can listen to it again. We got a lot of empty space there and a god-awful amount of noise. The noise we won't be working on, but for this empty space, we just highlight it and press delete. Highlight that, press delete. And there we go. We have our own sound file. Well, not quite yet. To export this file, we go to File, export or Control Shift E, and we can export this into any folder we like, just as long as we know where it's going to land. But what I am going to do is go to Recent Places, .minecraft, Resource Packs, your custom resource pack folder, or whatever your custom resource pack folder is named, Assets, Minecraft, Sounds, Mob, Chicken, and we're going to export this as say1. And let's make a couple more sounds here. What I can do is do something like this. I will cut this out. Now we just have the, let's see if I can get it to play. Buck, buck, buck. That's a little dorky, but it'll work. Say this as say2. And they must all be exported as OGG formats. Big thing to note here. And whoops, not quite. We can X this out and just get the rest of that. There we are. Export this as say3. And I keep making that same mistake. And there we go. With those files exported into our custom folder, custom resource pack, we can go back to Minecraft, hit play, and here we are in our world, chasing after this chicken. Let's listen for the sound. Oh, well, there we go. It's making its own sounds there. Our own sounds, at least. And to confirm, go to Options, Resource Pack, and that's what we have in there. If I take this away, give it a second. There we go. And we get the exact opposite effect when we throw this back in. There we go. So, like, favorite, and subscribe. Leave a comment, please, if you want to see me figure out more resource pack-based mysteries that need to be solved. And share this with your friends who might be making their own resource pack. And let's have a great time with this. We're learning things.